everyone, welcome back to the Technology Trends. Today we are taking our first deep dive into the Google Pixel 10 5G, and it promises to deliver Tensor G4 performance, brand new AI features and a refreshed design. Let's explore everything we know so far. Google is slated to unveil the Pixel 10 lineup at its Made by Google event on August 2025, with pre-orders starting immediately and global shipping kicking off around August 28. At the heart of the Pixel 10 is Google's most advanced chip yet, the Tensor G4, now fully designed in-house and manufactured on TSMC's 3nm node. It includes 16GB of POP RAM, ray tracing support, and enhanced AI processing for a big boost in efficiency and speed. The Pixel 10 keeps the camera bar aesthetic but refines it, accepted 6.3-inch FHD Plus OLED display with a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate and a brightness up to 2700 to 3000 nits, with ultra-thin flat bezels and a centered hole-punch front camera. It's also IP68 certified and protected by Gorilla Glass victus too. For the first time, the standard Pixel 10 offers a triple camera array: a 48MP main shooter, a 13MP ultra-wide, and a 10.8MP periscope telephoto, enabling up to 5x optical zoom even on the base model. The Pixel 10 is rumored to pack up around 4970 mAh battery with a 45W fast charging and 15W magnetic QI2 wireless port, Google's first native MagSafe style charging system. The phone ships with Android 16, featuring the all-new Pixel Send Assistant, offering help based on what you are doing, like pulling info from Gmail or Docs when you type. Google is reportedly keeping prices steady: $799 USD for 128GB and $899 for 256GB, making it a compelling upgrade over the Pixel 8. The Pixel 10 brings a flagship AI and zoom radar to a more affordable package with Tensor G4, new camera, optics, and Google's smartest software yet. Definitely one of the most balanced flagships of 2025. What are you most excited about? MagSafe charging, periscope zoom on the base model, or just the pure AI power of Tensor G4? Let us know in the comments. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and make sure the bell icon is turned on all of our upcoming Pixel 10 coverage and full review videos. Thanks for watching.